Welcome to our channel. If you want to meal prep for busy families and save time during hectic weekdays, follow these step-by-step approaches. Step 1. Choose a specific day each week, typically Sunday, to dedicate 2 to 3 hours for meal planning and preparation. Step 2. Plan 5 to 7 dinners for the week, considering your family's schedule and choosing recipes that reheat well or can be partially prepared. Step 3. Create a comprehensive shopping list organized by store section and shop once for the entire week to save time and money. Step 4. Wash and chop all vegetables on prep day, storing them in clear containers so they're ready to use during the week. Step 5. Cook proteins in bulk like grilled chicken, ground beef, or baked fish that can be used in multiple recipes throughout the week. Step 6. Prepare complete meals that can be refrigerated or frozen, labeling each container with contents and date. Step 7. Pack school lunches and snacks the night before using prepped ingredients to avoid morning stress. Step 8. Involve family members in the prep process by assigning age-appropriate tasks to teach cooking skills and save time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.